The true logic of this world is in the calculus of probabilities. In physical science, the first essential step in the direction of learning any subject is to find principles of numerical reckoning and practicable methods for measuring some quality connected with it. Aristotle could have avoided the mistake of thinking that women have fewer teeth than men by the simple device of asking Mrs. Aristotle to keep her mouth open while he counted. The second law of thermodynamics has the same degree of truth as the statement that if you throw a tumblerful of water into the sea, you cannot get the same tumblerful of water out again. A strict materialist believes that everything depends on the motion of matter. The true theory is the one which is more convenient and easier. All the mathematical sciences are founded on relations between physical laws and laws of numbers. In every branch of knowledge, the progress is proportional to the amount of facts on which to build, and therefore to the facility of obtaining data. The mind of man has perplexed itself with many hard questions. Is space infinite, and in what sense is the material world infinite in extent, and are all places within that extent equally full of matter? A mathematician who's not also something of a poet will never be a complete mathematician. The theory I propose may therefore be called a theory of the electromagnetic field because it has to do with the space in the neighborhood of the electric or magnetic bodies, and it may be called a dynamical theory because it assumes that in that space there is matter in motion by which the observed electromagnetic phenomena are produced. Algebra is the science which treats of the quantities considered indefinitely. The most direct path leads always through the shortest distance, that is, in a straight line. The numbers may be said to rule the whole world of quantity, and the 4 rules of arithmetic may be regarded as the complete equipment of the mathematician. The only laws of matter are those that our minds must fabricate, and the only laws of mind are fabricated for it by matter. We may find illustrations of the highest doctrines of science and games and gymnastics and traveling by land and by water and storms, of the air and of the sea, and wherever there is matter in motion. Nature is but a name for an effect whose cause is God. In the works of creation we trace the hand of God. In the works of providence we see His heart. The universe is infinite, and we are but a point in it. I wish to express my own strong belief that the general laws which guide the operation of the material universe are of unchanging character, and so simple that they may be understood by anyone who will take the trouble to investigate them.